let's go on. Now we have to mount the servo on the chassis. So we have first to do this one. Let me see. Snap one. Snap two. Then we have to mount this on this, like this, with these screws. Where is the screw? Here. Then the two columns. Perfect. Now on the chassis. 1 and 2. First we mount the servo. Okay. Now we have to connect these two rods. So this is all. We can adjust anything here. I prefer to have these braces with the screw, the double screw, in order to adjust the opening and the closing. I prefer with a little bit like that. But Tamiya makes things in the right way, so, and this is a cheap car. Okay, maybe a little upgrade. Motor cooling system. Does it work? I don't know. Surely 4 screws are a lot for such a piece. And now the switch of the ESC. Instruction says to mount with these screws. You can see clearly. But we have this one. I use this one. Off, on. I want on backward and off forward. Okay, 1 and 2. And now we have to mount this on here. Wire away from the engine because it becomes hot. Very, very hot. We need 2 screws, imagine. 2 screws, they are MA2. Now we have to put in position the ESC. Requires a lot of work because we have not enough room for all these very, very long wires. Usually I take the motor wires very, very short, and I think that I will do it. This is the Fly Sky receiver, no antenna, 4 channel, but with the new Fly Sky Noble radio I have tried to bind the old receivers, the 3 channel one, and sadly it doesn't work. So I have to, for the next model, buy this kind of receiver. It's very nice, it's very little, 4 channel, it's a little bit too much. At least I use 3 channel. Is it hot? Let's start with the work. One and 2. Shorter means something like this. Okay, very short, very, 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 very short. I have a new idea for this one. And why not also this one? Much more better. Wonderful. Perfect. And this is one. Herein. This is very long. Very short wire. I like short wires. I don't like wires all around. Fantastic. So, double tip. And now the receiver.